Hello, handmaiden friends and family. We have got an exciting little craft for you today. It is cold where we live, and when it gets cold, my family says, let's have snow. Why have cold with no snow? Lame. So, to get ready for snow, to hope for snow, to take snow into our own hands, today Dorothy did a great little craft. She made a paper snowflake, just a classic, like elementary school paper snowflake. I love them. We do them every year. We fill our windows with them. We like, is it Buddy the Elf? Buddy the Elf. He made some crazy paper snowflakes. Do you want to learn how to make a paper snowflake? Dorothy's going to show us how. Come on.
Okay. This is how you make a paper snowflake. So we take our paper, just plain white paper can work, but if you only have line paper, like you can use that too, no one really is gonna care. But we need a square, and this is a rectangle. So you just fold it over to be like into a triangle. Or I don't really know what this is.
So you're matching up the edges of the paper, right?
Yeah.
Which leaves
so
some left over.
It kind of looks like this.
Mm-hmm.
So we just make one fold. It doesn't need to be perfect. Like mine isn't even perfect. But we're just gonna take our scissors and just cut this off. All right, you're not gonna need this later, so you can just throw this away. And you're left with a triangle, and you can like see now it's a square, perfect square. So yeah, we're gonna need it to be a triangle. So you can just fold it like that, and then you can fold it again this way. You can fold it however many times that you want. I'm gonna just stick to this amount. And now we just have a triangle. You're probably gonna have a triangle no matter how many ways you fold it. Well, not ways, times you fold it.
Here, just do a quick fold without making a crease. Just see. There.
So you can make it like,
yeah.
So it can look like this, this, this. This probably won't work, honestly. So you're left with a triangle. Actually, I'm gonna make one more fold. You're left with a triangle, and now you just you can cut like wherever you want on it. So I'm gonna cut in the middle. I'm gonna make I'm gonna make it like zigzag kind of. So you're left with this. You don't really need that. And I'm gonna do little zigzags on the bottom.
Okay.
Alright, I finished that. Mm-hmm. And maybe I'm gonna put a little heart in here.
Okay.
And basically you can just cut as many patterns as you want.
Okay.
And there isn't really any limit to how many times you can cut. What the heck? to how many times you can cut this. You can like fold it as many times as you want. You can cut it as many times as you want, and you can cut like all kinds of shapes. This one I'm probably gonna cut a lot of hearts into.
Okay.
And I'll see you when it's done. Okay. While we were off camera, something that came to my attention is this seam. You don't really want to cut through it. Like, you can still cut on it, just like don't make sure that you don't cut all the way through it, or else when you unfold it, it will be ruined. So I finished. This is what it looks like. It looks really weird. It kind of looks like a block of Swiss cheese. But like, yeah, it kind of looks like Swiss cheese. But when you open it, it looks super pretty. And this is the finished product. But like, yours is probably gonna look different because you can like use like different cutting shape. You can use different shapes to cut with, and you can use different amounts of folds. And overall, it's just like a really, really fun craft, and it's really good for the holidays, and I suggest that you do it.
There we have it! A fun little snowflake from our very own Dorothy. I'm so excited to make more and make a winter wonderland in my house. If you try it, let me know. Let us know. Let it snow. We're looking forward to seeing your paper snowflakes. Thank you for watching. Click like, subscribe, and make a snowflake.